It's ground up wheat, right? That's what makes custard with cake. It's corn. No, because it's actually scientific. Like custard. It's a crazy ground up starch, so they use to make custard. Right? You see here, look. Right? It's got starch in it. No, because you make the logic to it.
Well, what's happened to the candy candles in the house?
Now, people who work in flour factories have got to watch that when there's a fine mist of flour that floats in the air. See, you've got to light a flag.
Oh, like it explodes.
That's right, it can explode,
That's
just like a bomb.
exploding.
Now, you may be saying, because it's food, custard is food, starch is food. And see when you eat your food and take it to your body, you release that energy wee bits at a time in every cell. You don't release it at once. This is what happens if you were to release the energy in a teaspoonful of custard at one moment in time. If you were to do that, you would blow up.
That's why
This is what happens when you release energy.
I'm just going to act like the therapist.
This is what happens when you release energy very, very quickly from a sample of custard.
That's so funny.
Oh, it's getting pop and stuff there. Fine. Mark, you gotta take cover by the... Like that, when it's done, I'm telling you.
Now, this apparatus is called the ant pump.
the terrorist
Actually puts the custard into the air with a candle, ignites it and it blows up.
Yeah.
No. No.
It's still
You can't see anything.
Get your shit.
She might get hit in the head.
And this is tilted slightly.
I'll do what I can do.
Jesus, I can't myself.
No, make it bigger. Save your custard up, like, have the whole thing into it and just, like, watch it blow up.
I don't know, it's got flame. Oh, it stinks. She's so sweet.
Yeah.
Is that no hope?
Where is the custard?
Shut up. What's with the noises?
Sick images.
Right. Right, well, more time is going to work twice in a row perfectly.
I want to go.
Fire tends to be home.
Burn. Oh, it smells.
Oh, I love that.
Oh,